Here is the Spyderco military model. This is item C36GPE. So this is in CPM S30V with black G10. Great grip on this G10, and this is a liner lock. This is a large knife. I have a large handle, a large hand, and this handle protrudes out both ways from my hand. So it's really unusual for me to find a knife that's too big for my hand. It's not too big, it's just really comfortable being that size. I find it really comfortable in the hand. You can also choke up on it with that little finger choil there. Nice satin finish. If you like big knives and you like Spyderco, then I definitely take a look at it. One thing that makes this knife unusual is in Spyderco's line, most knives are completely ambidextrous as far as the pocket clip goes, and this pocket clip is only in that one position, which will be tip down carry, so you'll be able to pull it up out of your pocket and open it up, no problem. Great knife on the big size, but if you have big pockets, don't carry anything else in your pocket, or just really like big knives, definitely take a look at it. It's on the website and has the current pricing information and all the sizing data. Thank you much.